his coat. Name on the door and a load to drop. Keep it rolling, don't you let it stop. 'Cause without trucks, Australia stops. From the cattle yards to the city blocks, every corner store, every builder's lot keeps on turning from the loads they drop. We can talk big plans and fancy shops, but without trucks, Australia stops. Kid in town wants fresh white bread. Nurse on night shift needs her meds. The mine out west, that coastal dock, all hang waiting on the ticking clock. 'Cause without trucks, Australia stops. From the dusty tracks to the docks and ports, every schoolyard lunch, every factory job rides that highway hum, that diesel throb. We can talk big dreams and share the props, but without trucks, Australia stops. So here's to the drivers gone before dawn. Eyes on the line, hand on the horn. Quiet heroes in the cabin light, dragging this big old land through the night. Yeah, without trucks, Australia stops. From the sharing sheds to the tower tops, every little town on a faded map holds its breath when the wheels don't clap. We can paint the signs, we can change the clocks, but without trucks, Australia stops. Australia